I'm somebody who really loves learning by doing. It really suits me a lot more for me to actually get in and actually do it. And anytime I've done that in the real world before, there's always been the same issues of resources and too many trainees and not enough equipment. Self-paced learning really suits my learning style a lot more than, I'm going to say, kind of a test examination type environment. The interface is absolutely brilliant. It just is all super clear, what you have to do next, where you're going next, what button to press. I found the robotics one really interesting because I've done that in a real robotics scenario before, but I was under time pressure. So when you're doing it in an immersive setting, you've got the time and the space to kind of take your time and really understand what the control board was getting you to do. You know, from a training point of view, it gave me time to kind of just get used to it and enjoy it as I was learning it. You know, so I could actually see myself trying that again. There's no reason why you can't enjoy the training while you're doing it, and I suppose the visuals around looked very comforting. You know, you felt relaxed. I mean, obviously all you're there to do is learn a new skill, and the fact that you can do that and feel totally focused on the skill that you're trying to learn, I think that's a real plus for immersive technology.